Hey, what's going on, musicians? It's Brendo from Powerful Progressions, and today I'm giving you a tutorial on Freedom by Justin Bieber. And if by the end of this video, if you've enjoyed this content, go ahead and like and share this video with somebody else. And I'm also really excited to share with you that I've just released my brand new course, the complete beginner's course to playing your favorite songs on piano. Go ahead and check that link out in the description box. Alright, so this song is in the key of E minor. Alright, so it starts off, I'll show you left hand stuff, then I'll show you some of the right hand stuff as well. So left hand, you're playing the chords. First chord you're playing is E minor. It's an E minor triad. All I have is E, G, and B in the left hand. Second chord right here. This is going to be this is an A minor 7 chord. So then we have this chord right here, which is going to be our B minor 7. And the last chord is E minor again. So I'll play it again. Alright, cool. Right hand that's pretty much it. That's the whole entire song. Does that over and over and over again. Those are the only 3 chords you need to know. So as far as the right hand melody, it sounds something like this. And then there's another part that sounds like this. And then we have the chorus. Boom. So now I'm going to show you how to play this song. If you don't want to play the melody, if you would rather sing the melody and play with both hands, play the chords with both hands, this is how you'll do it. So pretty much all I'm doing is I took the chords, put them in the right hand, which is your E minor, A minor 7, B minor 7, and E minor again. In the left hand, I just have perfect 5th. I'm either doing a perfect 5th in left or doing octaves. So it's E, A, B, E. Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with somebody you know. God bless.